Well, welcome to the art of agape love, the art of biblical love, and the power behind it, learning to love. There's an acronym that I love so well that has to do with love. Living onwardly, victoriously, eternally. Love. Over 3,400 years ago, Moses recorded for God's people, the anointed ones. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your might. He said this over in Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 5. Then just under 1,500 years later, Jesus said, love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it. Love your neighbor as yourself. All the law and the prophets hang on these two commandments. Love is the key that unlocks heaven for you and me. I pray this journey will be prosperous spiritually for you. So let me begin with the introduction. It's called The Journey of Love. Welcome to your transformative journey of love through this book called The Art of Biblical Love. The Bible calls it agape. This enlightening book invites you to explore the profound depths of divine love, rooted in the very essence of God Himself. Discover how the eternal love shared between the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit forms the foundation for all human relationships and spiritual growth. As you delve into these pages, you're going to uncover the true meaning of agape love, a selfless, unconditional love that transcends human understanding. The art of biblical love will inspire you to embrace a deeper connection with God and His infinite love. It will transform your relationships by embodying Christ-like love. You'll be able to cultivate a heart that overflows with compassion and grace. You will experience the life-changing power of agape love in your daily walk. Let this book be your guide to unlocking the greatest force in the universe, God's love. Are you ready to revolutionize your understanding of love and live a life that is radiant with divine compassion? Open your heart, open this book, and begin your journey towards a love that knows no bounds.